What's up, guys, and welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today we're going to be talking about some good old tech news. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit notification bell, like, and leave a comment below. Just talk to me, guys. So I know you guys click on this link for one reason only, and that's to hear the wonderful joke I have for you guys all the time. So now the joke is, why did a gopher bring 2 pairs of pants? Come on now. I know this. Come on, get it. In case he got a hole in one. Bixby, oh Bixby, rest in peace. Thank you. It's all about Samsung girl. Apparently, rumors are spreading that Samsung will be getting rid of Bixby and replacing it with Sam, or better known as Samsung girl. The internet went crazy over this rumor assistant that will be incorporated into Samsung's ecosystem. How crazy is that? Think about it. You have Amazon Alexa, Microsoft Cortana, and dozens of other assistants out there. Of course, we got Google Assistant. Anyways, and now you have this lovely avatar Sam, or Samantha, or we've been called Samsung girl. This is the first time in history that I know of that a assistant will have its own identity and not just a voice. Thanks to Light Farm Studios, a multi-award winning visual arts production house, for creating this beautiful AI assistant. Not only Bixby will soon be replaced with Samsung girl, but this beautiful avatar also went viral on social media, where people have fallen in love with Sam. She's everywhere and looking gorgeous. I guess the question is, how will she sound? Keep in mind, Samsung has not officially announced the lovely Sam. Let's shift over to Huawei P50 Pro, which was officially announced. Huawei showcased their smartphone, but only showed off half of the product. They didn't show off how the front of the smartphone would look. Anyways, on the back of the phone, they have 2 big circle openers with 4 cameras. They made their own operating system, which is called Harmony. It's still Android, but remember, Android is open source. Keep in mind, there is still no Google applications. So as of now, Huawei will be utilizing Harmony OS in all of the phones, tablets, and so on. So let's rewind back to the back of the design. I have to say that I do like the back of the design. I like how the uniqueness is a bit 2 circles and stuff. I think it's pretty cool and unique. The question for today: do you think Samsung girl will convince Samsung users to utilize their virtual assistants? Let me know in the comments below. To me, it could, but it still all depends on how good the assistant is. Alright guys, thanks for checking me out today. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're OG, thanks for coming back out and checking me out. And everyone, please guys, make sure you like the video. And also guys, until next time, I'll see you guys later.